So I've got the big daddy with me at this stage, a relatively calmer looking Sohail Khan. Now that you're getting some runs, your batsmen look like they've settled touch.
First of all, I'm so glad that this is the kind of response Kerala has got, the stadium has got. It's overwhelming to see so many people enjoying themselves.
And of course enjoying the CCL. I mean, I'm sure this is what the idea was, to not only bring celebrities together, but to give the crowd and the fans, the taste of both worlds, cricket as well as your favorite stars.
Yeah, it's fabulous. I think Vishnu came up with a brilliant idea, and it's just been the second season and the 7th game, and it's been so successful. I think that this is a property which will break all boundaries.
I know that you've been very vocal about the fact that it's united the film industries. You plan to bring in 2 more or 4 more teams next year as well, is that right?
Yeah, we're bringing in 2 more teams next year, and then inshallah in the following year another 2 teams.
And what about you? I mean, you've been so active over here on the sidelines. The Mumbai Heroes look like they've taken this very, very seriously this time. You've got a very astute captain in Sunil Shetty. I know he takes absolutely no nonsense, no prisoners.
No, in fact, we all call him Anna. That means older brother.
Right.
So he, in fact, takes care of us. And yes, I mean, we learned from last year's mistakes. We've got a little more disciplined. But however we play, I just feel that the decision should not be controversial.
Yeah.
I think that we've come here and there are a few concerns about a few decisions. But I think we'll all take it in the stride of the game and play the game, and then may the best team win.
Okay, so many times people say that, actors are so emotional, but I personally feel that makes you better cricketers, because, we certainly enjoy the good or the bad emotions, because it makes us understand just how passionate you are about it, how seriously you take it.
As I think anyone creative, as actors, we live life because the different characters that we play every day of our lives, the different roles that we play every day of our lives. So yes, you get to learn a lot about someone's psyche.
That's true.
And but here, we are players on the field, and we enjoyed it. It was a dream as kids to play at the biggest stadiums of the country, and it's a dream come true where we are playing at this beautiful stadium in Kerala, and it's just fabulous. I'm just repeating myself, but when we walked in here, it is, if you just pan your camera, I think even the roof, people are sitting on the roof.
Yeah, they actually are. You can repeat yourself when it comes to the crowd as much as you want, because it's mind-blowingly amazing.
For the first time I've seen 2 simultaneous Mexican waves happening.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. In fact, they were competing by themselves. So I think it's a great crowd, and we're so glad that the Kerala team hosted us, and we're here to enjoy ourselves and play a good game.
Just about back to the game, just about 5 overs left for you right now, 4 or 5 overs. Do you think you can get that 150 score? You're really going to have to push. Oh, we'll go back to commentary. Sorry about that.
So another blow to Mumbai Heroes, now 89 for 6. Ritesh Deshmukh finally succumbing to that spell of tight bowling. Janelia is disappointed, but Ritesh tried. He worked hard, but this was the wrong ball to choose. Just came in with the arm, no turn, and he had to go for it. The slog overs are on. So Ritesh Deshmukh departs. It's for 15. Mumbai Heroes 89 for 6.
सो रितेश देशमुख आउट होने के बाद अब उनकी जगह पर आए हैं सचिन जोशी, बाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज। 89 फॉर 6। इस समय हालत थोड़ी बहुत गंभीर है मुंबई हीरोज़ की। विकेट बहुत कठिन है, उसके ऊपर से इतने सारे विकेट्स गिर गए हैं, इसीलिए और ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो रहा है। बीट किया इस बार, स्टंप का चांस था पर कीपर पकड़ नहीं पाए ठीक से। यहाँ पर रन्स मिल रहे हैं और 4 रन बाई वहाँ पर। सारे के सारे रन अवेलेबल है। अच्छी गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर गोपन द्वारा।
Excellent bowling. Beat everybody. The wicket keeper, the batsman and the fielder chasing. A great effort. He was almost there but missed that scoop. So near yet so far. So bonus boundary into the 90s now, Mumbai Heroes. Few lose and easy runs can change the complexion of the game. So Kerala strikers have to watch out. Sachin Joshi is a powerful striker. He's a good left-arm spinner. A recent addition to the Mumbai Heroes team. Did not play the last season. Debuted with his movie Azan a few months ago. And Gopan is the standout bowler for strikers so far.
So after 16 is 94 for 6.